Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out your Maytag dryer lint filter. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new lint filter. The lint filter filters the air as it circulates through the dryer. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and you're getting lint on your clothes or the exhaust tube is getting clogged up. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dryer door. Once you have the door open, we have access to the lint filter. All you have to do is pull it out of the housing and pull it out of the dryer. Here's the old lint filter next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. On this design of lint filter housing, sometimes the rails and along the edge at the bottom and the lower rail get clogged up with lint. So we're going to take a long flathead screwdriver and clean it all out so the new lint filter will slide into place. In order to put the new lint filter in, all you have to do is line it up with the rails, push it down into place. Once you have it in there, you close the dryer door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.